Yeah, this is the MKO ABIOLA International Stadium, and this is the Bushman here. So as you can see, this is the Bushman here, live and direct. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, kabar. As you can see, and we are just left and right at the MKO ABIOLA International Stadium. Hello, Chief. When you got to Bushman, because can I forget?
Yes, Bushman. I'm Udoka Steven, aka Udo Chief Udo from Abara,
Okay, because can you ever and can you hear the minimum ticket?
Yes, I'm ABEOKUTA right now. MK ABIOLA Stadium. Even a member in Nigeria, it's 62 years Nigeria today. Independence can I make today. I have a Makiata.
Okay, can you go to Ethiopia?
To Ethiopia, Makana, I'm Ogun State to go APC state. And APC cannot support because of ending over the kind of support. I'm okay meet here. I'm a enemy and I'm going to but I'm Ogun State APC Ogun State APC.
So he is back, APC.
Yes, Makana Ogun State.
Okay. Because when he was one day, Nina Ekigua, when what you think you have a couple of
yes, I'm the man who in Nigeria, when you're not wearing Mayo. Nigeria will die. I need to go to Nigeria, Canada, whether I am one. Didn't come out, didn't want one. Didn't do okay, didn't do under Motama. I can do the mother advice.
Okay. Chief, Damien,
Mr. Bushman, thank you very much.
Hello, viewers. This is the Bushman, and here is MKO ABIOLA International Stadium ABEOKUTA. So we are here again for a second time. This time around for a celebration and observation of Nigeria's independence. Yeah, today is October 1st, 2022. And we are happy, celebrating. As you can see here. So we are having merriment and we are happy. So we are going inside now to bring the whole of the events to you in this station. Please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Yeah, thank you. We are there now. Guys, that's how we did it for today. I will thank God for that.